What's going on, guys? Today we're going to replace the back glass and the battery of the S9 Plus, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to get our pry tool, dip it into some alcohol, make an opening for us. Then we're going to get our thin plastic, dip it in alcohol, go underneath the metal, remove the metal, and very gently go all around. Don't go in too deep. You don't want to mess up the wireless charging coil or the fingerprint sensor flex. When you feel resistance, just add more alcohol. See the difference it makes? Okay, good. Fingerprint sensor stayed where it needed to stay. We're going to go ahead and disconnect it. Don't tell me someone taped this down here. Nope. We're good. Let's put it here. We're going to go ahead and remove our screws. These are all the same size. You don't have to worry about putting them in order or anything. This one has a little rust on it. Hopefully there's no liquid on this board. We're going to go ahead and pry this off. Disconnect the battery. Oh, this battery, no adhesive whatsoever. Wow. Whoever worked on this really did a crappy job. Let me grab my Tesla tape. Put one on this edge, one on this edge. Let's get rid of this. Let's grab our new battery. Go ahead and plug it in. Okay, that's that. Battery won't fall off anymore. Mickey Mouse technicians are really starting to surface, a lot of them. Put your wireless coil back on. It's a very easy, straightforward repair. First time doing it, just take your time, follow the steps, and you got this. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and put some B7000 glue around the edges. for the back glass to stick properly and not come off on its own. Just a very light layer, you don't have to go too crazy with it. Then once you're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and line it up. And the job is complete. Your battery has power in it. Let's go ahead and put our clamps on. Let it sit for an hour and we'll be ready for a customer to pick it up. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more repair videos. If there is a video that you would like for us to make, please let us know in the comments and we'll get to it. Thank you. Have a good day.